Hello friends. Now let us take up 4.3. This is example demo 3. This is a different model. Already two models I show you. How you are enlightened by work on that, you could understand by this time. They are totally a different thing. If you do not know the relevant facts, definitely commit mistake. Why mistake happens also you do not know. Because no textbook will talk about that. Only in the international certification you will have an opportunity to learn about them. Okay, now here regarding data types. Actually, Java is such a wonderful language for the sake of privilege of the programmers. Integer type it divides into four types: byte, short, int, long. Byte is 1 byte, size of the byte is 1 byte, size of the short is 2 bytes, size of the int is 4 bytes, size of the long is 8 bytes. So comfortably used. Actually, why this is required and all that? Suppose you want to store your age, then your age never be more than 3 digits. Then why should you use short or int? Byte is enough, na? Byte is enough. That's why this type many numbers or values are small. Then byte type you can use. By that memory is saved. Memory is saved. Then program efficiency is increased. That point you have to understand. Simply memory space there is no issue at all. Huge memory is available. But if you are using more memory per program, the execution speed is reduced. That point you have to understand. That's why economically you can define data type. Here you see byte four types I have given. Sorry, three values I have given. A is 50, B is 50, C is 70. Here one more point, one more important point is there. Byte and short are special data types. Whenever you are performing operations on the result will be int only. Result will be int only. So if you want to store the result in byte type only, then you have to typecast it. That means if you are typecast it means, what does it mean? I want to store the result in byte type only. That is the meaning of typecasting. Okay, here you see first example, A plus B. Obviously it is 110. Actually what is range of byte? Range of byte is, you have to understand this fact. This is 128 minus 127, 0, 1 plus 1 plus 127. In that way, this mental picture you should have. Otherwise you never get clarity over this. Okay, this is the range of byte type. Okay. Now A and B you take A plus B. A plus B obviously convert as int. Then but you want to store it in byte only. This type is byte. Then typecasting I made. What is the result? 50 plus 60, 110. 110 is somewhere here. It is within the range. There is no issue. And you made a typecast, and that's why in D it is comfortably stored and it is displayed. No issue. Second one you take C plus D. C plus D 130. 130 is the above range. Above range. Here it is not there. Here is a wall. Then obviously what happened? Data overflow happens. It comes this side. And how many are short? 3 are short. 128, 127 minus 126. This is the result. This you may not know. This is called wrapping. Here no space is there. It comes this side. 126 is printed. So 110 is the first one is correct. Second one is minus 126. If you do not know these facts and all that, 3-4 facts I explained, then you never imagine the answer. Whatever answer you expect and all that, that should be wrong. This is the intricacy. Where you get the opportunity? Just I am asking you a question. Where you get the opportunity to learn about this? If you theoretically read this concept, can you know this? Only thing is by practical hands-on, by practical application only, you can come to know about this fact. So this you understand. And with the 3 examples, I think you are fully enlightened. This type of almost around 1000 questions I am going to provide to you. 1000 questions I am going to provide to you, and study them. Just work out on this, make several experiments. Then you will become a master. You can enjoy the sense of achievement. Others do not know. You can educate others. And you will be evolved as a good trainer or good faculty. Now, Here I have given explanation, thorough explanation. Just you go through that, and that is good for you. One time, one thing I am telling you, don't have any installment. One concept, one time, one shot you must master. For that, everything I have explained here, and go ahead with it. And if you satisfied with this OCJP feel good web series, then you can study. Matter of 100 days, you will be in a position to select your employer. That is the open challenge, because your competing peers are very inferior to you when they can get all this knowledge.